What if I told you that today you can create cinematic film quality videos without a camera crew, without actors, and without expensive software? In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful AI video platforms right now, Higgsfield, and how you can use it to turn any idea into a finished video in minutes. This isn't just another AI tool. This feels like a full film studio in your browser. So Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms built for creators who actually want control over motion, audio, framing, and consistency. Inside one dashboard, you can get access to some of the world's top AI videos like Nano Banana Pro, Kling AI, Kling 2.6 Audio, 2.5, and their brand new workflow called Cinema Studio. If you can describe a scene, you can make a film-like shot, and that's really the promise here. If you can imagine it, you can build it. So most AI video tools give you random results and zero control. Higgsfield flips that completely. Here, you don't just generate clips, you direct scenes. You decide how the camera moves, what the lighting feels like, how the audio sounds, and how consistent your character stays. So this is why creators are using Higgsfield to make ads, short films, YouTube videos, and even cinematic reels for TikTok and Instagram. So let's start with Nano Banana Pro. This is your go-to model when you want clean, professional visuals. You can generate 1K, 2K, and even 4K resolution. And the best part, text actually looks right. Logos, headlines, UI elements don't break. Faces are more consistent, characters stay recognizable, and even charts or whiteboards more logical sense. So Kling 2.6 Audio. This one is crazy because it does something most tools still struggle with. It generates video and audio together. You get voice, ambience, motion in one go. That means less editing, fewer plugins, and faster production. Then you have 2.5. This one is bold and realistic and culture ready. If you're creating visual style content, stylized scenes, or anything internet native, this is the model you want. You can generate up to 10 seconds in multi formats for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube, all in full HD. Cinema Studio, the game changer. Now let's talk about what really makes Higgsfield feel different. Cinema Studio. This is the fast end-to-end filmmaking pipeline I've seen in AI. You start with a fast frame, then move seamlessly from text to image, image to video, and finally to a polished cinematic shot. No jumping between tools, no exporting, re-uploading, or losing quality. You even get real camera and lens profiles, so your shots feel intentional, not random. So let me give you a live demo. So let me show you how fast this really is. A cinematic night scene in Nairobi. A filmmaker stands on a rooftop, city lights glowing behind him, slow camera push in, mood light, soft ambient music. I pick my model, hit generate, and just like that, I'm directing a film-like shot without touching a camera. This is the kind of control creators have been waiting for. Who is Higgsfield really for? If you're a YouTuber, if you're a filmmaker, if you're a brand owner, if you're a content creator, or someone who just wants to tell better visual stories, platform gives you the power of a studio without the studio costs. If you want to try this yourself, I've dropped the links in the description so you can start creating today. And if this video helped you understand AI video generation better, hit the like button, subscribe for more creator tools, and I'll see you in the next one, because feature filmmaking is already here. So discover how Higgsfield is changing the future of AI video creation. In this video, I test one of the most powerful AI video platforms to see how fast you can go from an idea into a cinematic film quality video. If you're searching for a free AI video generator, the cheapest AI platform, and the best tool for AI filmmaking, this is for you. So you can go to Higgsfield. I believe it will help you so much. Kindly like, subscribe, share, follow. I truly do appreciate your boy over here, Mkidi Studios. Always blessed, never stressed. Kindly go visit Higgsfield Studio. You'll learn a lot and you can do a lot. You can grow your brand, you can grow your business, you can grow so much of your content using Higgsfield. You can generate so much content, professional content. So kindly I urge you, go to Higgsfield. You learn a lot, and I'll teach you how to use it. So follow me. Thank you for being here. Your boy Vahiam Kid Studios.
The reading game cannot begins with connection.
From sending money to building businesses, M-Pesa keeps Kenya moving.
Reason is I want to compare how guys will receive the advert, also as a short form and a long form. I'm going to turn it into a 16:9 format and a 9:16 format. What a 16:9 format is the version you see on YouTube, and a 9:16 format is the vertical version for the phones and apps. This can go on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and the rest. So what am I trying to achieve here? I'm trying to give Safaricom and Airtel a different aesthetic to the adverts, to the conventional adverts that you see on TV right now, because most of the adverts that we see are made by guys that in an agency. There's a lot of hierarchy before a project is passed. But using AI and Higgsfield, at least I can push some boundaries, and I can give you some filtered and some amazing projects that I don't think will have been allowed to be seen if it wasn't on my platform. You tell me what you think about all of this. I'll truly do appreciate. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I truly do appreciate. This is just a recap of the Airtel advert. I'm going to make the Airtel advert and link it to the Safaricom advert. Compare it, the two of them. You tell me which one is more enticing, exciting, which one you feel has the aesthetic value, carries the Nairobi feel. I truly do appreciate. Your boy Vahiam Kid Studios. Thank you for everything. I truly do appreciate. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed 2026. Humbled for you to be here. I'm truly blessed and honored. Thank you very much.